So the cubic function is in quadrants 2 and 4. Class, what quadrant is this one? Class, what quadrant is this? Draw a cubic function in quadrants 2 and 4 only. It gives us a hint here. Joe, read the hint for us. Okay, so it's just basically saying if I keep my graphs only in here and here. So how do I do that? Well, I can build a quadratic in here, because that represents how many? 2. And then I can draw a linear, and that represents what? 1. So 2 plus 1 gives us 3. So the big idea, cubic functions, is a linear and a quadratic. Alright, let's try E. Question. How many imaginaries is this one? Remember, that counts as 2 imaginaries. So, this one's asking for 3 imaginaries. So, class, how many imaginaries do I have here? 2 imaginaries. 2 imaginary zeros. How do you draw a third imaginary zero? Okay, but if I draw a straight line like my pen, what's going to happen? How about if I do it like super, like barely has slope? It's eventually going to hit somewhere over here. Does that make sense? If I draw a straight line like this, a horizontal, that's called a constant. That means it doesn't cross the x-axis. But this is not considered a linear because it's a constant. So the answer is not possible. If a quadratic is used, then a linear must be used, but it will cross the x-axis. And that's why it's not possible. Because if you draw a line, like my pen, it's going to cross it. And if it crosses the x-axis, that's called a real zero. But we're looking for 3 imaginary zeros.